Alright, so back out here for another video. Deep in the Rockies today. We've kind of been going down this riverbed with the Jeep, and yeah, gonna find a nice spot, and should be a pretty relaxing one. We have privilege of having Luke's drone, so a couple drone shots, and yeah, he also brought some good food,
some good bread, some good homemade bread. We're gonna make some chorizo sausage, pizza buns, and just a lot of good food content for you guys today. So
should be good, but we'll find a spot here.
Yeah, let's go.
Alright, so found a spot to park the car here, and yeah, pretty much all ready. So there's a really nice hillside just on the other side of the camera. Probably gonna hike up that. Should make a pretty good spot, but we're excited for the sunset. It's obviously just beautiful out here, so yeah. You ready?
Alright, let's do this. Quick 30-minute hike. Yeah.
Gators are good.
Oh, this is the right here. Sick fire.
It's not bad. Got like fire there. Got the view.
Fire with the view. Got lots of deadfall right behind here.
Oh yeah.
Big tree you can drag in and make a little bench.
That'll work.
Definitely can't sleep out here though. Way too exposed.
Alright, so we're thinking this area is probably pretty good. It's beautiful. We're right on this kind of sort of drop, and then we got the mountains. So we're gonna set up a fire here and then probably drop our backpacks and look for a place to sleep. We don't want to be right by where we're cooking with the bears coming out now, but it's kind of windy. You guys are probably...
That's the big thing, is the wind. We're really exposed to the wind being right on the edge here. The wind's of course coming up the ridge, so setting up a campfire here might be tricky, but it's gonna be a sacrifice we're gonna have to make if we want a sick fire with a view.
Part of the adventure.
But there's no way we're sleeping here because we didn't bring tents and tarps. It's gonna be loud.
Alright, well yeah, we'll leave the packs and find a spot to sleep, maybe just tucked up in here somewhere, but yeah. Seems like a good spot to chill and have a fire, so
yeah. Or at least watch a sunset.
Oh yeah. Quick little workout in. Alright, focus. Oh yeah. Bit of wind protection with the trees.
Nice and nestled in here. Might work. Maybe even get a fire going right there. Or how close to the fire do you want to sleep?
I don't know. We're on a hillside, so.
Because we're cooking honey in bear country.
We could have a fire down there and sleep here. Yeah, so a little bit of diamond in the rough here. There's not much because we're on a hillside, so to find a spot that's covered from the wind but is also flat was kind of difficult. But I think if I sleep there, Luke sleeps here. We kind of laid down and tested it. Seems to be all right, and then we'll have our fire, like it's about 100 meters down the hill where we showed you. So I think that'll work. We'll bring the bags up, set up, and then start getting some firewood. Yeah. Alright, so we have our pad set up and everything. Just gonna get some firewood and get that going, and yeah, get cooking because we're hungry. Yeah. Boy, now we're going.
Also, something just feels good about getting a fire going with flint and steel.
Yeah. Yeah, so got the fire going. Took us a bit, but yeah, it's raging now. So yeah, go. Sun's starting to go down too, so we're gonna get some cool drone
Throw
shots.
the drone up.
And yeah, let the fire burn down. Kind of hang out for a bit, and we'll get cooking soon. It's good because we're starving.
Yeah, it's been like 6 hours since I had my last meal.
Me too.
Which was chips.
I'm down here.
Yeah, it's like upstairs, downstairs. Alright, check this out. If you're ever struggling to get your fire just absolutely roaring and you're sick of blowing, buy yourself a $3,000 drone. Just kidding, it's like that. Oh, baby.
Yeah, that's one way to blow on it.
Oh, roaring.
Alright, so we're gonna start thinking about cooking here. We both pretty much brought a bunch of random food. Gonna have like a mukbang.
I think we both brought enough food to feed two.
Oh yeah.
And there's only 2 of us, so.
Yeah, so it should be good. But got some snacks. Got some garlic butter, corn. In here we have 3 different kinds of sausages. So I have this little grill. We'll just put those over the coals. There's like chorizo, a couple other ones. And then some mango chili prawn skewers. Got a couple iced teas. And then I was walking by the international section at the grocery store and I just found this United Kingdom chocolate, so I thought I brought it. If anyone knows, if anyone's from there and you know what Tunnock's caramel wafers are, shout out to you. And
then we got the holy grail, the bread dough. Can't go wrong with bread dough. You can put everything in bread dough. So we're thinking of putting this chorizo sausage in the bread dough with some cheese, making some little pizza pockets. Then we got some chocolate here. This chocolate we're gonna put in the bread dough and make some like chocolate donut desserts. This chocolate's from Russian Vostok Station on the Antarctic Plateau. So
buddy's
it's
a
come
Antarctic
along
pilot here.
It's come a long way to get here. Yeah. This chocolate bar never knew it'd make it here.
It's from the other side of the world, the
Yeah,
bottom
pretty
of the
much.
world. But
Alright, let's
and
get
then
to it.
can't forget your honey butter here. Shout out Outdoor Boys.
Oh yeah.
Now get cooking. The wind's starting to die down a little bit, guys, so hoping it stays like that. But we're gonna unpack these. Actually, little appetizer. We'll get these shrimp skewers going. These things cook really quick.
Brought shrimp skewers.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 2 each here. Take a look at that. Oh, a little sizzle. Yeah, get those going on here first. Honey butter's getting nice.
Alright, welcome over to this side of the kitchen. Nick's over there skewing up some shrimp there on the Barbie. I'm getting some pizza rolls ready. And this is how we're gonna do it. Get our dough nice and stretched out here. Toss in some chorizo sausage. Color up with some cheese. You'd even make pizza with this. There's a stuffed pizza pocket. Chorizo.
Appetizer here. Already done. Shrimp skewers. Cheers, buddy. Cheers. Oh. Not bad. Just the start of our 10,000 calorie intake here.
Appetizer one.
We'll do that again. There's people over there. Little Sasquatch mating call. Stop. Yeah, flip those over. Oh yeah, a little burnt, eh?
Crust.
Just some crust. Those are cooked or what?
Here's a skewer.
Here's your organic yerba, mate. I think I got it last time. I had no idea what it was, but it tastes like iced tea.
Guayaki.
Good stuff, whatever it is. It's good yerba.
Mm.
All right, let's try these things. Probably a bit hot. Yeah, wind's died down a lot. Knock on wood. So Little balls. What's in here again?
Chorizo and cheese.
Scared to bite. It's gonna be a little hot. It's not hot.
No. Dude,
Oh yeah. It's pretty good.
it's pretty raw on the inside, but it's like cookie dough.
It's not bad. Got some spices in there. What's in it again?
Parmesan, Italian, seasoning.
Dude,
Garlic salt.
that's insane.
It's like a truffle parm mix.
I'm gonna get these sausages on now, or at least a couple of them. Dude, that's like restaurant quality. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Luke, good work on those. Whatever that was. Amazing.
That was good.
Alright, let's take a look at these sausages there. Try not to burn myself again. A lot of you guys were laughing at that in the last video. Apparently my delayed reaction was kind of funny. You were laughing at that, weren't you?
Yeah.
I just grab it. Ah! Okay, so we got, there's like Philly cheesesteak sausages. That's what 2 of these are. Then the other 2 are chorizo, I think. I don't really know which ones. I don't really know which ones are which. Just throw a couple of them on to start. Oh yeah, 2 of these have like, I can see like a bunch of cheese in there. There we go. Let those cook up. Those will probably take 20 minutes or so. Alright, so update. I think what we're gonna do is instead of eating little by little, we're gonna cook everything up. Sausages, got the corn on going now. Got some more of these pizza pockets. We're gonna save 2 sausages for dinner, for breakfast. We gotta get everything ready to go. I got some paper plates. Then we'll just eat it all at once. I think it'll be a little bit better. So give us a little bit. We're gonna get cooking. All right, so got everything complete. We'll come show you guys. So little spread here. We got our little pizza pockets that he made.
Same
made
thing we
more.
had earlier, except bigger.
Yeah, and then 2 types of sausage, corn. Got some bread that we're gonna put the honey butter on. So get that going here first. Oh yeah, I've actually never tried this before, but Luke said it's pretty solid. Oh, looks sick. Set that down there. And then
Some Heartbeat hot sauce.
blueberry habanero. What's that?
Camp
one?
sauce.
Oh, I'm just gonna a little bit of both.
Kind of screaming.
It's like a Texas barbecue platter. Probably insulted some people from that, actually from Texas. Oh, take a look. Get a bit on you.
So much went off the plate. So
Yeah.
we're only sleeping right there. It's all right.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's still kind of winter, so. But yeah, take a look at that. Let me dive into one of those.
It's gonna be pretty hot, man.
Ah!
You put it on that ketchup.
Oh. Good hot sauce, though. Alright, we're gonna eat that up. Alright, so for anyone wondering, it's currently 9 o'clock. It's definitely light out a lot later nowadays, which is nice. You don't need as much firewood to kind of burn a fire all night, starting at like 4 o'clock when it gets dark in the winter. But yeah, gonna set up the sleeping bag here, get this thing out so it can start fluffing up. not a bad place to sleep, eh? Just under the mountains. I imagine we'll get some pretty nice star views tonight. Pretty clear sky, so. Luke's getting his set up there as well. Yo, you know what I just realized? Your name's Luke, same as the Outdoor Boys.
Oh yeah.
You're meant for this.
One of the outdoor boys then.
Oh yeah, you're meant for this. Need a bit more firewood here. Luke's trying to break this massive one. Nice. Fire's going. Kind of just been relaxing, looking up at the stars. Yeah, telling stories. Yeah. Right, you might have that tree in front of in the way. Yeah, hopefully we see a satellite go by. That'd be pretty cool. Sick, how close to you live. Alright, so yeah, we've just been kind of chilling for a bit on the hillside. We went and watched all the clips from earlier on and are just having a good laugh and stuff. There's a lot of funny stuff with that. We're gonna watch all the drone footage here. Ow. Oh, got a little hot there.
Oh, my leg's burning.
Oh, come over. But yeah, probably gonna watch the drone footage as well, and then I don't know, use the bathroom and then head to bed. It's about 11 o'clock, but like promised, we're gonna try this United Kingdom snack for United,
all the UK gents.
all the UK ladies and gents. Give a little bit of a review. Oh, so we got like a 4-pack. There you go. Caramel wafers.
I don't know why I'm eating this whole thing.
They're pretty full, so
Yeah.
we're gonna put chocolate in buns too and cook it, but yeah, too full. Actually, you know what? Oh, it's so hot. Ow!
Crunchy caramel.
I might be out of the frame a bit, but you know what? At first, I wasn't too sure, but as I chewed on it a bit, that's pretty good.
It's like your ordinary wafer with some caramel in it.
Mm-hmm.
That's about it.
Yeah, so good job over there on the other side of the world.
Producing fine desserts.
Yeah, I'd say, what'd you rate it there?
You're like a 5.
That low? Nah, don't listen to him. I said a 9. That's pretty good. Alright. Well, yeah. Probably leave it off there for the night. Gonna head to bed and see you guys in the morning.
Ciao.
Alright, so that's morning. It's about 8 o'clock. We've got the fire going, and yeah, we're just cooking up some food. Got some more bread with honey butter, some sausages,
Pizza. Got a pizza going.
yeah, little pizza. Oh wow, that looks good. Yeah, a little pizza going there, and yeah, as far as my sleep goes, absolutely horrible. I couldn't fall asleep for some reason at all. Laid there till like 3 or 4 in the morning. I was way too hot, and yeah, I just couldn't fall asleep. But it was nice to kind of look at the stars. Yeah, how was yours?
Yeah, my sleep was about 4 hours in length, but hour-long sessions, if that. So, woke up 4 times, 5 times.
Not
Toss and
ideal.
turn. Kind of sleeping on a hill, so if you sleep on your side, sleeping on a hill's kind of not it.
Yeah.
You're all bent up.
Yeah. Well, yeah, we're gonna be kind of tired today, so just gonna finish eating, pack up, and head home. And yeah, I think that's all for this one. So thanks for watching if you stuck around till now, and get Luke back on here for sure. And yeah, see you guys later.
See you on the next one.
Peace.